Welcome back to iHeart Crypto. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, go down below and smash up that like button. Let's get right into it. So we got Bitcoin coming in at $44,000. And as you can see, we were looking at our Heikin-Ashi candles. And if you remember, we were looking for these overshadows because whenever we have an overshadow, we have a trend reversal. So what we got right here, over here, was these overshadows, and it looks like we're having a trend reversal. Now the question is how high can this go? Well, I'm thinking that we got to get past the 46 right around here, and then up to this previous high over here. So that should be about 51, and then the golden pocket up there should be about $55,000. And I do think that the retracement can get back up to about $55,000. And that would be really, really good for some of these altcoins that really want to go off. So, you know, we got a lot of hope there. But let's take a look on some lower time frames. Let's just go back here real quick. Get rid of these guys. Alright, so let's just take a look at Bitcoin on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we had this long downtrend of resistance. We broke out right here. And since then, we've had about 13% move to the upside on Bitcoin, which was fantastic for some of these alts. In that time, Gala Games, I think, went 80%. A lot of these just went off the chain after that breakout. But what do we see happening from here is if we're taking a look on our 1 hour, our RSI did come down a little bit, but on the higher time frames, our RSI is extremely cooked. Our stochastic is up high as well, and they are crossing up there. So on the 8 hour, again, almost fully cooked. On the 12 hour, it's getting cooked. On the daily, not so much, but as you can see, we did come up really quite a bit on the daily. But you know, long term on the weekly, our RSI just turned up, our stochastic is at the bottom, and our MACD is crossing at the bottom. So long term, Bitcoin looking pretty bullish at the moment. But so, you know, one of the things I wanted to do was kind of short this a little bit. So, you know, one of the things I did was Gala Games just absolutely killed it. Absolutely killed it. Just from the bottom, it's gone up 70, 80%. So, you know, what we expect is to come back down here to the golden pocket. So we are short Gala Games right now, which I'm hoping that we get. It's on 3x leverage, so let's say we get 15%, you know, so that could be a nice 60% gain for us. But let's take a look at the overall crypto market. Let's see what else we got here. Just taking a quick look over here. Is there anyone in here? Not at the moment. But, alright, let's take a look at the overall crypto market. Alright, so we see a lot of green lately. XRP, green all the way around. Interesting. That's awesome. Good for XRP, for your XRP holders. Avalanche, everything is kind of turning. If you look, everything is kind of turning green. Shiba up 60% on the week. Crypto.com up 18% on the week. Litecoin up 20% on the week. So we have some pretty good movers here. Yeah, looking bullish, guys. Looking bullish. Let's just take a look at the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We're probably sitting a little bit higher than yesterday. We are at a 48, which is neutral. So this is like the first time we've been out of fear. That's interesting. Let's take a look at our heat map here. Let's refresh that. Oh. Well then. Let's see if we can get this back up there. Oh, sorry. I actually don't see it. That's weird. Coin360. If you ever want to know where this little heat map is, it's called Coin360. Oh, the website's down. Okay, no big deal. In fact, if you don't know, you can also go to your beginner's guide to crypto assets. Now, this PowerPoint is in the link in the description below. So it gives you like a 200 slide PowerPoint all about cryptocurrency, all about blockchain, all about technical analysis. And it gives you a bunch of different cool little features like this one right here. So here's your Coin 360. Okay. And it happens to be down at the moment. So let's go to our crypto bubbles. And we're looking at the day. And of course, one of our biggest gainers of the day is Kadena. And Kadena absolutely went off. And let's just take a look at the Kadena chart. Kadena up 20% on the day. It just went crazy. Kadena at its all-time high was at about $28. So, you know, if it did ever get back to all-time highs from here, you're looking at a 2x. That's not too shabby. I do think that this thing has potential to go 10x. And if it ever comes back down in this region here around $2, I would suggest going all in. I mean, not financial advice, but, you know, just what I'm doing. So, you know, Kadena is one to be watching. Today's video is all about Kadena. So let's just learn a little bit more about Kadena. So it's a JP Morgan blockchain spinoff, and it hits 480,000 transactions per second. Kadena wants its blockchain network to become the new hub for decentralized finance. Kadena claims it has achieved a high transaction speed by doubling the number of braided blockchain in its network to 20. It's capable of 480,000 transactions per second, which Ethereum supports about 14 transactions per second. So you can just kind of see, you know, how fast it actually is. It uses proof of work, just like Ethereum, which is very secure. The network has achieved a high transaction speed by doubling its number of braided chains on its network of 20. It refers to the interconnectedness of the Kadena network. The team claims that it could reach 1,000 chains or an ever-increasing number of chains. So, it claims to be the fastest blockchain platform in the world, but it does join dozens of other networks like Algorand, R3's, Corda, Polkadot, and Blockstack. Yeah, Kadena is. I'm extremely bullish on Kadena just because of the transaction speeds and the proof of work blockchain mechanism. I love that. So here are 3 reasons why Kadena price went on a 500% parabolic frenzy. Now this was back in November 8th of 2021. This was when Kadena was doing all this. But as you can see, it's had quite the pullback. So let's just come over here. Here are the 3 reasons why Kadena is another one to look out for. So it joins the DeFi brigade. So we're gonna have a lot of DeFi on Kadena. It's gonna have NFTs, and it's not listed on a lot of exchanges. So you do get it on KuCoin. That's where I'm holding my Kadena. You can get it on KuCoin. And one thing is that Kadena, I believe, is a American-based company. So, you know, getting listed on Coinbase is a very good possibility, and we all know how good a listing on Coinbase can actually be. So this is Kadena's Twitter page. As you can see, they are constantly updating. This one's from 10 hours ago. Justin Wu is an advisor on their launchpad. Let's see what else kind of news. CatX is their wallet. So CatX, let's see. Let's go to CatX. CatX is their wallet, and it looks something like this. All right. CatX is the first gas-free DEX built on the Kadena blockchain. So no gas fees on this DEX, which is huge. It wants you to save you money. And this is the Kadena website. It's got smart contracts, no-cost transactions, energy efficient at scale, proven security, and industrial scalability. Here are some of its partners: Polkadot, Flux, Terra, Cosmos. All right. there's just a lot going on here on Kadena. And Cadex is its new wallet. And, you know, the ecosystem is just booming. It is just starting to boom. It's just getting started. You know, there isn't a ton, you know, in the Kadena, you know, ecosystem, but you can get it on KuCoin, Bittrex, Cadex. You know, it's got some pretty big investors over here. You know, it's partnered with Polkadot, Cosmos. You know, there's a lot of infrastructure going on here. And of course, this is the team down here. And we got guys from JP Morgan, Microsoft, Disney, Google. Big. I like the team, and I like what they're, you know, I like the experience. So, you know, Kadena is one that we are really looking out for. So, yeah. But let's just run back to Bitcoin real quick. Sorry. I'm pretty sure that happens every stream because I never turn off my alarm. But just going back to Bitcoin real quick. So we got this uptrend of resistance now. Uptrend of support, I should say. Alright, right here. Alright. And because everything is cooked, I do think that we're going to get a pullback to this line and kind of continue up on this line. In my opinion. So if you are looking to get into the market, wait for Bitcoin to fall somewhere in the region of $40,000 to $39,000. If Bitcoin comes back down to test this right here, that would be a great buying opportunity for the next leg up. Other than that, I think that is it for this video. I'll keep it short. I'll keep it sweet. Everyone have a great day. Don't panic sell your crypto, and protect your capital. HODL. Time is on our side, as Ben Cowan would say. All right, everyone have a great day out there and stay safe.